Okay, this video will review with you how to use the distributive property. So, in order to use the distributive property, you will take your outside term, which in this case is 5, and you're going to multiply it by each of the inside terms. Remember, the sign goes with the second term. So we're going to multiply 5 times x, and we're going to multiply 5 times 4. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 4 is positive 20. 5x plus 20 is my answer. I can't combine those because they're not like terms. In the second example, when I have no number here, this is like saying a negative 1. So I have a negative 1 on the outside, and then my two terms are x and negative 2. So when I multiply negative 1 times x, that's just negative 1x. And negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Moving to the third example, I have to multiply negative 4 times each of the following 2x and 5. So negative 4 times 2x, you can type negative 4 times 2 in your calculator, which is negative 8. So negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x, and negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. So you can either write that as negative 8 minus 20, or negative 8x plus negative 20. Either way is an acceptable way to represent that answer. Now in the fourth example, I have my 8 on the right-hand side. That's no problem. I'm still distributing the 8 by both of these terms. But we're used to seeing it on the left-hand side, so I'm going to go ahead and cross that out and rewrite it on the left-hand side. I still have to remember I have to multiply 8 by both of my terms inside. I have to multiply 8 times 2x and 8 times negative 1. Keep in mind that minus goes with the 1, so it's a negative 1. 8 times 2x, 8 times 2 is 16x. 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. You can write it 16x minus 8 or 16x plus negative 8. Moving on to the next example, I have 3x minus 4 times negative 3. So I'm going to move negative 3 to the left-hand side, and I'll multiply negative 3 by both of the terms inside, keeping in mind that that minus sign goes with the 4, making it a negative 4. So I have negative 3 times 3x, and negative 3 times negative 4. Negative 3 times 3x, negative 3 times 3 is negative 9x. Negative 3 times negative 4 gets me 12. Negative 9x plus 12 is my answer. In the next example, I have to multiply negative 10 by both 3x and positive 2. So negative 10 times 3x, negative 10 times 3 is negative 30x. Negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. So my answer is negative 30x minus 20. And now for the bottom row, I multiply 6 multiplied by both x and negative 2. 6 times x is simply 6x, and 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. 6x minus 12 is my answer. And in the last example, I'm going to move 3 to the left-hand side, and I'll still multiply 3 by both x and negative 4. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3x minus 12 is my answer.